Hello everyone and welcome to this Carrd review. Is this the best budget website builder for beginners? Well, in this video we're focusing on Carrd. Do you want a stunning one-page website but don't want to break the bank? Carrd is a super simple website builder that's perfect for beginners and budget-conscious creators. In this review, we're going to break down its features, pricing, pros and cons, and everything you need to know. And if you're ready to build your own site, the link to Carrd is waiting for you in the description of this video. Let's start with the features, with a focus on speed and simplicity. You have one-page websites. Carrd specializes in creating single-page websites ideal for landing pages, personal profiles, portfolios, and simple online presence. It's designed to be quick and easy to use. You also have responsive templates, where it offers a selection of mobile responsive templates that look great on any device. Then you have the drag and drop editor. This intuitive drag and drop editor allows users to easily customize their website without any coding knowledge. Great, right? Then you also have elements. Now, Carrd provides various elements like text, images, videos, forms, buttons, and social media integrations. And this really helps in your design. Publishing. And when it comes to publishing, Carrd allows users to publish to a carrd.co URL. That's Carrd, C-A-R-R-D.co. Or to a custom domain. And you'll be happy to know that they also have integration features, where Carrd integrates with services like Stripe, PayPal for e-commerce functionality, and MailChimp for email marketing. And now we're going to talk about pricing. There is a free plan that allows users to create basic Carrd sites, and this also includes the Carrd branding. It does have limitations on its features, and that's why we're going to mention the second plan, which is the Pro Lite. Starting at $9 per year, you get 3 sites, and this does not include custom domains, and this plan does remove the Carrd branding. Then you have the Pro Standard that starts at $19 per year. This also allows for custom domains and includes features like forms and widgets. It is the most popular option amongst users. Then you have the Pro Plus. Starting at $49 per year, it offers more sites and advanced features such as advanced forms and larger image or video uploads. Now, if you're a beginner, the Carrd Pro plan at $19 per year offers the essential features most beginners need, such as custom domains, removal of Carrd branding, and useful additions like forms and widgets, all with a reasonable price. And of course, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons. Starting with the pros, you have ease of use. Now, Carrd is great at being user-friendly, even for those with no web design experience. It is affordable, with a very budget-friendly plan among different plans, especially the Pro plans. It is fast and efficient, with a quick website creation and publishing. It is mobile responsive, as templates look great on all devices. It is simple, as it focuses on a single-page website and does that very well. And now with the cons. It has limited functionality, and so is not so suitable for complex websites or e-commerce stores with extensive product catalogs. Single-page limitation. It's restricted to one-page websites, which may not be ideal for all projects. Design limitations. While customizable, it does not have the extensive customization of larger website builders. In conclusion, if you need a simple, effective, and budget-friendly one-page website, Carrd is an excellent choice. It's perfect for personal portfolios, landing pages, and quick online presences. While it may not be ideal for complex websites, its ease of use and affordability makes it a winner for beginners. Now, don't forget to check out the link in the description to explore Carrd for yourself and begin creating your site. Do let us know if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.